Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to be drawing an Among Us 2021 to celebrate the new year. So let's get started. To draw this Among Us 2021, let's start by drawing a circle. So I'm just using my cup right here as a circle template, only because I'm drawing pretty big, so it's just a lot easier. So hopefully you have something at home that you can use. So now that we have our circle in, let's go ahead and work on our number 2. This way it's just easier so I know how big to make this 2. So I'm going to come next to it, say about right here. I'm not going to make it too wide, so I'll start about right here and just draw a straight line. So just go for it about right here, make a straight line, and then I'm going to go up. And we're going to start the inside of the 2. I'm going to go up with a curve, bring it down, and then I'm going to angle it all the way at the same level down to here. So let's bring this down, angling it, and I'm bringing it about right here. So we just want to know approximately the bottom of this circle. So say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And that's where I'm going to bring this angle line. So then from there, it's just a lot easier. I can just now go up. And I just want to make sure I'm about the same level, about right here. That's my circle, and I'm just going to go around and try my best to make it the same width all the way around. Just bring it down. If it's easier for you to draw the 2 first, definitely do that first if you have a bunch of different size circles. I'm just drawing the circle first just so it's easier for you to, for me to figure out how big to make this 2. So about right here at the same level, I'm going to stop and then bring this down and connect. So it's just a very basic 2 that we're drawing. And our goal is just to make it about the same width all the way around. Now to work on the 0, and I thought it would be perfect to use the Among Us keep silent icon, the shh pose. So let's go ahead and we're just going to come about right here, and I'm just going to draw a big curve all the way around. So I'm going to start right here, just nice and simple, a little bit thinner towards the top, and then just come right around all the way back to about right same level. So it's just slightly thinner at the top. Okay, so then from there, let's just go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a slight curve. And then back up. There. So that's the basic shape we're creating. Then from there, let's start on the visor. So I'll come about right here in this area at the top, and just draw a soft curve right across. Then I'm going to round it off, following the outside, and then about right here I'll bring it in. So same thing over here. I'm making mine slightly bigger, the visor area. So this is going to come in, and if you're using a pencil, definitely connect this. But because I'm using a Sharpie, I'm going to stop right here and draw the hand first. So in this area right here, I'm going to work on the fingers. So about right in this area, let's come and draw an angle. And I'm going to bring this down. So just keep in mind you have this finger that needs to come up. So about in this area, I'm going to bring this down. So I'm just creating this angle, and let's bring this down one finger, and then another one come down right there. The finger, just bring it in, and then we're going to come out. It all makes sense soon. And then the palm area. So bring this out and then curve. So then in this area right here that you've created this little notch, we're going to bring it in. Just trying to follow my drawing here, and then bring it down to create this curve right here for this finger that's bent. There. So hopefully I was able to help you with that. And then right here, we're going to stick out a thumb. So come right here, bring out a little curve, give it a little dip, and then out, and then in. So then now we can just go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a curve. There. Okay, so then now the most important finger, we're going to stick it up right in this area. And we're going to give it a slight bend, just to make it more believable. Just a slight bend, so about right there. And then curve the tip and bring it down. There, so it's shh, right? Okay, so then let's bring this in and connect. Yay, and we did it. And so then from there, there's these rays that come out in this icon. So I'm just going to come about in the center right here and just draw these angle lines to create these rays. So it's all radiating from the center. So there's another one about here. And so I'll just do the same thing right across. Approximate. And then there's another one here. And here, and then there's a center one at the bottom. There. So now we have our 0 in, right? So then from there we need to draw another 2. So this one's a little bit easier because now we have something to go by. So I'm just going to come to this line right here and drag it right across. So about right here, I'm going to start. Just approximate, and I'm going to go right across just like the other one. Approximate same length. And then I'm going to go up. So on this one, I'll just come up this way, and I'll drag this point across now, just to make sure I'm approximately the same height. So I'll give myself a point about right there. And bring it all the way up. So don't worry, it's not going to be exactly the same. We just want to approximate the same size and width. So that's our goal. So that's where I'm dragging these points across. So let's bring this up just like the other side. Try to follow my 2 on the other side there. And then bring it down just like I did. Okay, and then now we can just go ahead and angle this all the way down to the same point right here. So let's drag this approximately right there. So it's this line and this line, this part right here. And we can just go ahead and connect down to there. Then we can go ahead, just like the other one, and follow. And about right there, let's bring this across. And I'm bringing this across to about right there. And we can connect this. So about the same width all the way around. There, so hopefully I was able to help you draw another 2. Okay, so now we have that, and now we can go ahead and finally draw our 1, which I've decided to just make it your basic Among Us crewmate or imposter character. So in this area, I'm going to start about right here, and I'll draw the visor. So I'm just giving myself enough room. So I'll just say about right here, I'll go for it. If you're too far out, just make your Among Us fatter, and if you're too close, just make it thinner. Okay, so let's come right here. I'm just going to start with a curve. And come down. And just go ahead, curve it in and connect. There, so I got my visor helmet area. And then we're going to come right here and draw a curve. Imagine this coming through. And then come out. So I don't have that much room, so I won't make mine too thick. So about right here, I'll go ahead and start the head. And I'll bring it as close as I can to that too. So we're just going to connect with a curve all the way down. There. And then let's bring this down. And bring this down. So then about in this area, I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. And we're going to start the legs. So just want the legs in approximately the same area as my 2 and connect. And this leg is going to be slightly shorter because we are at a slight angle. And connect. There. Okay, so then now the pack on the back. So let's go to the center about right here. I don't have much room, so just a slim pack and bring it in. And let's see if I've forgotten anything. So they're all done. Happy New Year to all my cuties who love Among Us, and I really hope you love this and that inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.